Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to update Audi A4 navigation. Keeping your navigation system current ensures you have the most accurate routes and points of interest. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your vehicle to installing the latest firmware and map data. This guide aims to make the process straightforward, helping you enhance your driving experience with up-to-date information. Let's get started by understanding the initial preparations. Before beginning, it is crucial to prepare properly. First, identify your MMI system version, as this determines the correct update files. Next, connect a battery charger or keep your engine running throughout the process to prevent power interruptions. You will also need an SD card, formatted to FAT32 with a minimum capacity of 16 gigabytes. Finally, download the appropriate firmware and map files for your specific region and MMI version. Now, let's proceed with the firmware update. To access the engineering menu, press and hold the CAR button and the back button simultaneously for a few seconds. Once in the menu, insert your SD card containing the firmware into slot 1. Navigate to the update option on your MMI screen and select SD1 as the source. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to begin the firmware installation, which may take up to 20 minutes. After the firmware update, it's time to install the new map data. Remove the firmware SD card and insert the map data SD card into slot 1. Again, go to the update option in your MMI and select SD1 as the source. Choose user-defined and select all map components, such as map styles and nav persistence. Confirm the update and let your system reboot. Once complete, your Audi A4 navigation will be fully updated and ready to guide you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.